How to create a VSCO account. Let's jump right into the steps. First off, you want to go ahead and open VSCO, which can be downloaded through App Store. Now, you can tap on Create a New Account. If you already have an account, tap on Sign In. You can sign in from Apple, Google, or Snapchat. Now, to create your account, go back and tap on Create an Account. Now here you can create your account through Apple, Google, Snapchat, or even Facebook. For now, let's create an account with Google. Just tap on it and then tap on Continue. Select your Google account and then enter the password, and then you'll be able to create account on VSCO. You can create draft by tapping on plus sign on the top and then enter videos and images and edit it as your requirement. You can also click photo from VSCO. VSCO is used for many good editing purposes for photos and videos. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the end.